Welcome to Wild Rose Haven, where we're doing it ourselves.
Next thing is the juicer, and for that we have some oranges and some little baby carrots. We're going to try throwing those down there and see what happens. So luckily enough, when you can't get it through the thing, oh, there you go. I wonder what that was for, and that's what it's for. So let's bang a couple of oranges. It does say do not overload the fill, so we're not going to overload the fill. And on the button side, it's the one that looks like it has a slice of lemon or orange. And so it's with the slice of lemon, so there it goes. More oranges in there right now. So 2 jars, one for the juice. It has the stop flap, so you can stop the juice going in if you want. And the other one's obviously for the pulp and stuff. So alright, let's throw the carrots in there. You can see the pulp still linging around. This is going to make a wonderful drink for the missus, because I'm not going to drink it. So there you go, you can see it all happening on the tube.
On the tube, on the tube. Bunny, bunny. Oh, no bunny.
Woohoo! The tube on the tube. Oh, oh. There you go. All right, now we're good. And again, it's pretty quiet, pretty efficient, I guess. I don't know, I'm not a juicing expert.
It is pretty quiet.
So, I guess that's all you're going to get. So there we go. Alright, missus. Close the flap.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
And there, look at all that you have to drink.
Babe.
What? Thusly what? Oh, it's my bad.
What kind of bartender are you?
Not a good one.
Jeez.
Leaves you plenty of room to top it up with vodka. How handy.
Maybe you should put
No. There you go, my love.
a little bit in there.
Nope.
It's right behind you.
Nope. It's kids' present.
Oh, where is kids' present?
Well, they might watch it sometime on TV. Who knows? Anyway, there you go. Happy juicing, peoples. Alright, so next up is the slicer shredder thingy. So don't forget, put it in and it has a lock. So you know when you've located, you've got to twirl a little bit, locate it, there's the lock button. But then, you know, as with all the fittings do that, another lock button there. So power on, push the slicey icon. There it goes. Now we're going to throw, just for comparison, some more baby carrots in there. Just, well, that's what I got, and we'll see what happens. Nothing. Oh, no, maybe. Well, let's put a few in there. And then use the squisher. Oh, and it has a, there you go. Not bad. Gives you carrots, what do they call that, julienne or whatever. So that's how those are. Yeah, I had a little bit left, but these are really small for the size of the drum. I mean, they're just baby carrots, but you can see nicely slicing. So that's your...
Can you pull a slice out? Show it in your hand,
Yeah.
please.
Like that. So now we're going to try the other heads. So we'll stick that one to one side. Next one. the medium shredder, I guess. Again, we're just going to do the same carrot so you can kind of see how it actually works. And there it is. Just give you an idea of the different shreddages. Right, so apparently you can lose quite a bit of material. Well, we are using baby carrots, so I guess. But push stop, and then, you know, oh, it's all in here. Look. Sort of scoop it out. So that's a pretty coarse shred right there. There's the other ones right there. So that's that. Next up, the fine shredder. So let me get all these pieces out of here so we can actually see the difference. This is the smallest shredder that comes with it, so let's see what that does. I know, you're thinking, who's going to do all the washing up? I don't know. So, again, power on, shreddy thing. I keep losing my... Dumbass. Okay, I'm having to push a little harder on this one for some reason, probably because it's a finer shred. So, really? That's what you're saying? So I've got the big pieces are managing to roll around in between the drum and the plastic case here without getting shredded. So, and he rode up all that. Again, you know, it's all in here, so just scoop it out. And we're only putting like 3 baby carrots in the silly thing, so I mean, you know, it's not really surprising you're not getting a lot out because there's no reason for it to come out. Unless I've forgotten to put something in the machine, which is entirely possible. But anyway, so that shred compared to that shred is much finer. So there you go. That's that. Okay, because we've decided to actually eat something today, we're going to might as well use it while we have it. And we're going to try shredding some cabbage. See how that works out. I'm really not seeing much shredding going on. Look. So it doesn't like cabbage, right? Golly. So now, apparently, overloading it, maybe, I don't know. Let's find out. Let's try one.
Babe.
Oh, and also it helps if you have the cup under it. Maybe. I mean, it's a bit of a chore to shred things at this rate. I don't know where they're going.
That's it.
Alright, well,
Let's see what we got.
let's see what we got. Push a the button, pull out the thingy, stuff on top, but we have stuff inside too. So yeah, I don't know about doing. It just really made it wet and juicy. Maybe it, like Mama said, it's like a juicing machine shredder. Kind of a bit of a pain in the ass.
Shredded it a little bit.
Yeah, it did, but...
You know what? Maybe, you know what? I have an idea.
Alright, Mama's got an idea. What?
Maybe we should do like bigger, like core, instead of it being like a single leaf like that, it needed like the whole, like cutting it into a core. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So, new idea. Put a whole wedge of cabbage and we'll try that.
It's like,
I don't know what's wrong with these shreddy things.
it's not shredding
It's
it.
just not grabbing it. Golly. It just goes around the outside.
You have to unlock it, babe, don't you?
No. I did, but I got the cabbage stuck in there.
You want me to try to get it out? I was grabbing it because it's holding on to the cabbage. Here we go.
So,
Did it shred at all? That's not shredding it.
it's emulsifying or juicing it.
It's not working.
Something. Yeah, you know what?
Are those dull or something?
They're not sharp.
Huh?
They're not sharp. Normally when you do that on like a cheese grater, you tend to hurt yourself. But
Oh, those are child safe, are they?
they're not,
So they're not meant for like a leafy. What are you supposed to?
I don't know what you're supposed to, I mean,
No,
they're just not sharp.
not sharp for that.
So, let me try this one once more, one time.
Oh, it's a slicey one. You gonna try the
Yeah,
slicer?
We'll
Okay.
try it. We'll find something.
Push it up.
I mean, they look like they should do something, they just don't appear to want to. Oh, something's actually coming out. That's a surprise.
So you need the
So
slicer.
this grated lettuce doesn't work, but sliced lettuce does. Maybe that's the thing, you can't really grate lettuce, maybe that's the problem. But yeah, I mean it just kind of
Oh,
makes it
That
wet.
works. For slicing it.
I mean, I know cabbage is wet, but it's kind of wet.
It's alright.
But yeah,
It's alright. It's not the best for the.
not the best for what we tried, but maybe it's just for hard vegetables like potatoes and hard big carrots and sticks of celery and I don't know, things like that. Not so wet. That seems to be because this is wet. I mean, it's, you know,
Well,
maybe
we'll
it's
see.
just too juicy for it.
Too juicy.
So So anyway, there you go, people. That's that. All right, so clean up. Start with this one. Rinse off pretty easy, and using the handy toothbrush. So just a good measure. So you can get in all the willy-nilly bits. Scrubbity scrub. They also made a big kind of pipe brush, but I haven't checked that out really yet. But you know, we'll clean off just pretty good. Just quick rinse. And there you go, that's it. All done. Not bad.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe and like and ding bells and do whatever else you have to do. I have no idea what I'm talking.
Y'all come back to Wild Rose Haven where we're